Welcome back to the Antigravity CLI course. So far, the agent has done the work while you watched and approved. In Lesson 12, we automate the guardrails themselves using hooks, scripts that run automatically at set points in the agent's workflow before an action fires or after files are formatted. They turn the checks you do by hand into something that just happens. Let's drop into the terminal. Here we are in a project session. Let's open the Hooks browser and see what's wired up around the agent. The Hooks command opens the browser for the hooks active in this session. These are scripts Antigravity runs on its own at fixed points in the workflow, so you don't have to remember to run them yourself every single time. Here at the top we have a pre-flight hook. This one runs before an action executes, so it can inspect what the agent is about to do and block anything that violates policy before it ever touches your machine. Below that is a post-format hook. This fires after the agent edits and formats files, which is the natural moment to run a linter or a test suite and catch a problem the instant it appears. Watch what happens when the agent goes to edit a file. The pre-flight hook fires first, checks the change against your rules, and only then does the edit proceed, all without a single prompt from you. Now the automation kicks in. The formatting hook fires the instant that edit lands, formats the file, and runs your linter. If something failed, you would see it right here, rather than 3 commits later. One thing worth knowing. Hooks carry straight over from Gemini CLI, so any automation you built there keeps working. They're how you turn manual guardrails into automatic ones that hold on every action. Here's what to keep from this lesson. The Hooks command browses the pre-flight and post-format scripts that run automatically around the agent's actions. Before an action runs, a pre-flight hook can block anything that breaks your policy. A formatting hook runs after edits to format, lint, or test, catching problems the moment they appear. Head to Standarity.com for the full Antigravity CLI course, and join us in Lesson 13, where the plugin command extends antigravity with whole new toolkits.